Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply remove tokens from your Trust wallet. So most times you might be wondering how you can remove unnecessary tokens you wouldn't like to see anymore, or tokens you're not familiar with. And that can be done by simply using the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. So let's say I want to turn off my AVE, that's the AVE ERC20. So all you need to do is the toggle at the top right and simply search for AVE and simply switch it off. And now if you were to head back to the tokens menu, it would no longer be on this list anymore. And in order to enable, it's the same thing, AAVE, AVE, activate it and head back and boom, it's here. And for custom tokens like the GPT, all you need to do is slide left. For Chronos, it's disabled since it's a mainnet token or something. The PVC, the tonic, same thing, you slide left. We have the same thing with most of these custom tokens. As such, the AIT is one of them, so you can simply slide to your left and you can simply delete the token from your tokens menu. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can remove tokens from your Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.